This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I am the old guy, the OG, Jay, and you know who you are. Don't you like that little tune that I have playing? You know when that comes on, I'm going to be here, right? It's a beautiful day, and I hope that it's a beautiful day wherever you are. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, squirrels are doing whatever squirrels are doing. I don't want to know about it. But today is a pretty good day. Kind of bittersweet. Last night, I received a phone call saying that the person that was buying the trailer, her financing was all set, and that the last final step, she wanted somebody to come in and take a look at it, take a home inspector, bring him in, take a look at it, make sure everything was good. I say, great, bring it on. Everything is up to code and looks really, really good. So I was pretty excited about that until this morning. I got a call. She did not have her financing in order. The inspector will not be coming over, and that deal has fallen through. Yeah, I was a little upset about that at first until I got a phone call from Kevin saying that he's already got people coming over and taking a look at it. He had some people who are interested. The thing is, once when you're selling something, once you have an offer, then everybody else wants it. So he had a bunch of people to call. I think he called like 15 people this morning, and we've got showings starting at 10:30 this morning. So that's really, really exciting. So I'm going to just kind of wait and see what happens. We have showings at 10:30. We got some more this afternoon, and somebody who wanted to make a cash offer before, we've contacted him, and I believe he's going through park approval this morning. So this could still be all over today, which would be a wonderful thing. I'd really like to get this wrapped up so we can move on to the next thing, right? But remember, I'm still trying to get 200 subscribers to this channel, and I want to do it before we sell the trailer, and I'm at 194 right now, so I'm very, very close. 6 more people, that's all I need. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, you won't miss any of the videos. And if you know some people that might be interested, hey, send these along, share these videos with them, like the videos so more people will see it. YouTube will make sure of that, and possibly we could get 200 more, or get 6 more, so we'd have 200 subscribers by the end of the day. That would just be wonderful. I would love that. So things didn't work out exactly the way we had planned, but that's okay. Some things change, right? And that's all right. Change isn't always bad. No, change can be good. What do they say? When a door closes, a window opens. Well, you know, maybe we got our window opening today. That would just be awesome. I'd love to see that happen today. I'd love to see the sale. And if it doesn't, well, it'll probably happen tomorrow. I mean, we've come a long way, and we've got a lot of people interested in this. So, yeah, hopefully it's a cash deal. We get it all taken care of one day. I think that would be great. So that's going to do it for this short video. I mean, yeah, there's not a lot to show you because the trailer is done. Everything is done. You've seen it all, and now we just need to get somebody to buy this, and we'll move on to the next thing. And the next thing is coming right around the corner. I'm already talking to people about other mobile homes that I may be able to get into relatively shortly, but we'll see. I would like to continue this. I'd like to keep going because, well, you know, it means I have something to do, and it means I can make some money. So money's not bad. I'd like to pay my rent. I'd like to pay for my internet and all that good stuff. So I'm going to try to do that, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. And please join me tomorrow. It is Saturday tomorrow. Yeah, genius. I knew that if today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday, and I'll come up with something for you. Hopefully we'll have a little celebration, and I can show you that as well. I got my cigar, my $7 cigar, and a 6-pack of my favorite beer, and I'm just hanging on to it. So when this is all over, I'm going to enjoy that, and I will share it with my friends, you know, both of them. But anyway, that's going to do it for me today, the old guy for the Old Guy Network. I am the OG, and I'm out.